team in terms of putting up a fantastic show actually. I think the reason we have come back is because we enjoyed what we did last time actually. And the only thing what we have tried to do is to tweak it. Last time when we did it 2 years ago, it was much more about bonding. This time it's trying to raise the performance actually, so that's what we have tried to do. I mean, I hope that each one of you have sort of taken away what we have written here and sort of think about it as we sort of work on our day-to-day stuff actually. So this is great actually, and I'm sure we'll keep coming back. And I think what the team said, Sushil said, in terms of we will not repeat activities, I think that was clearly there. Thank Atul as well, because Atul, I think, took the lead in terms of organizing this. I think this is leadership at all levels. I think this is what the point is. It doesn't have to be hierarchy. Does not drive leadership. Actually, I think anyone can be the leader actually. And I think this annual picnic is an every year affair. And one of the things I always say is that I don't need to be planning this annual picnic. Like this year, Atul and I did it actually. But I think it can be planned by any of you guys. And since it's an annual event, I think why don't you guys plan? Some of you plan the next year's event actually. I think I would seriously encourage that actually. So do that, because I think it is it's a collective thing. It's really yours. It's not driven by me or Atul or anyone else actually. It's really ours actually. I would really encourage that actually. We are a great team. I have no doubts about it. We are a great company, as we have demonstrated to the stock market. The stock price is nearly 2,000 rupees actually, and in the last 1 year and a half ago, it was 250 rupees. And we have been the highest performing company in the stock market, so top 3 or something like that. So I think this shows what the company can do and what we can do in our own way to contribute to that actually. So I think that is what I would say. What else actually? I think I feel a bit sad that I couldn't participate in all the activities. So physical fitness for me is something very high on the agenda actually. I think, in fact, when I went to Australia also, I got a nose block and I struggled for a day. So I'm wondering if there's anything that I need to do in terms of my own physical fitness actually. I think that's about it in terms of the program itself. And I just wanted to do one more thing, and I think we'll do this more formally at the appropriate time. I wanted to sort of acknowledge the services of one person here who has spent about 35 years in the company and who's retiring in April, and that's Pathak actually. I think I came across him 2 years ago when in one of this program actually, and what surprised me was the energy and the singing and all that he did, and it's fantastic actually. So I just want to thank Pathak for his services to Wockhardt actually, and his daughter got married this month, and she also works for Wockhardt, and then he told me his son-in-law also works for Wockhardt. I think this is fantastic.
I have decided to barge in just to say that I really want to say two, 3 things about Pathak. Pathak at this age, he came and told me I'm 58. Okay, he performed as well as a 20-year-old boy would do.
Yes.
And age didn't matter. I think Pathak was wonderful in not only performing himself but carrying his team with him.
Yes.
And he was a driving force in his team. Do you all agree with me or no?
Yes.
Okay. So hats off to Pathak, and I want to compliment him for that.
Fantastic. And for those who don't know yet, Pathak is an astrologer. He talks about people's futures. So in case, I know that your future is in your hands, but if you had some doubts, you can go and ask Pathak. So I think that's all, guys. I think have fun. I think and we'll keep doing this, and let's cherish these memories actually. I think it's very important to cherish these memories. Thank you.